Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blue screen error in Windows 11. As the initial step, you need to remove unnecessary external devices like USB drives, external drives, and then you need to restart your computer. If the issue is not fixed, you have to go to advanced startup options. To do that, you need to restart your computer 2 to 3 times using hold your power button. Then after, it will be able to go to the advanced options. Once you are in the advanced options section, go to troubleshoot and then choose advanced option for repair tools. So once you are in the advanced options, select the startup repair to let the Windows to fix the boot related issues automatically. And other than that, you can go to safe mode using in this startup setting, choose to restart option and press F404 key to the in the list. You can go to safe mode. Safe mode is loading with the minimal drivers kind of thing. You can do several operations in the safe mode like uninstall drivers kind of things. So once you are in the safe mode, you will be able to load the Windows screen like this. So just imagine you are in the safe mode. So now you need to do is go to start menu, go to setting and go to Windows Update, go to update history and go to uninstall updates. So you will be able to find all the installed updates on your computer. Make sure to select the latest update and then you will be able to find uninstall option in here. Just tap on it, then it will be uninstalled from your computer. Then you can restart your computer to is that issue fixed or not. Then after, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on that one, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. In here you need to type sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 5 minutes to fix whole file in your computer that are corrupted. So once it is done, you need to again type dism space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health and hit enter. This will clean up image and restore the health. Once it is done, close this one. Again go to search bar, search for memory diagnostic in this application. Just tap on it and there is two options, restart now and check for problems. Just tap on it, then after your computer will be restart. It will be restart your computer and check the problem related with the memory. So once it is done, close you can check the problem is still happening or not, and you can check your disk errors related with can be cause for this issue. So go to search bar, type command prompt. Remember all the things are done in the safe mode. Okay, now you need to type chkdsk space / f / r, then hit enter. This will check the disk errors if it is happening. So once it is completed, close this one and go to start menu, go to setting, go to privacy and security in the left side menu, go to Windows security, go to virus and threat protection, tap on quick scan. This will take around 15 minutes to completely scan your whole system for malware. Once it is completed, close this one and close this one. Then after, go to search bar, search for system restore, tap on system restore option. Sorry, not like this. You need to go to search bar and search for control panel, tap on it, select the view by as a large icon. Then after, go to recovery option, tap on open system restore option. Okay, you can see all system restore from here. So most of the time system restore is save the data while you are installing new application kind of thing. In this case, you can see I installed Python, so it creates system restore point automatically for that one. So you can find your restore points from here. Then after tap on next, then it will be able to restore your computer to that particular date. So once it is restored, you will be able to fix your issue, because all the latest software installation, driver installation kind of thing will be removed from your computer. Close this one and close this one. And you can update your BIOS by check your BIOS information and go to internet and download the latest BIOS option from their manufacturer site. And last and final method is go to start menu and go to setting, scroll down and go to recovery option and tap on reset this PC. This will reset the computer to the installed date, that means factory reset version. So it will be able to fix all the related issues if it is related with the software issue, and if it is a hardware issue, that will be you have to show your computer into the computer technician. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you think it is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.